Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you adverb. An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. In this example, I ate my dinner quickly. So in this sentence, ate is action word or verb which is used for I, and quickly in this sentence it is describing the action word ate, how the action takes place quickly. So quickly is adverb here. In this sentence, my father came home early. Came is action word, whereas early describing this action. Early. So it is adverb. Sam sees many puppies outside. Where he sees many puppies? Outside. It means sees is action word, and where the action performs? Outside. So outside is adverb here. Some more examples are daily, somewhere, quickly, everywhere, calmly, regularly, nowhere, freely, silently, near, soon, etc. An adverb tells how, where, or when an action happens. See in this diagram, action, it means verb, how the verb takes place, where the verb takes place, when the verb takes place, and when that action, how often the action takes place. It is said by adverb. The alarm rang loudly. Harry ran quickly. Underlined word loudly and quickly. Both are adverb of manner. It shows how the alarm rang. It means how the action takes place. So it is adverb of manner. Put the cake there. I looked everywhere for my book. So put the cake there. Where the cake put? Put action, and there is adverb in this sentence. I looked everywhere. Where I looked? Everywhere. So these both underlined words are adverb of place. Kriti went to gym today. They go out to dinner weekly. When Kriti went to the gym and when they go out to the dinner. So all this tells about the time. So today, the underlined word today and weekly are adverb of time, which shows that when the action takes place. Sometimes he play cricket. Ritesh never smokes. Here sometimes and never shows the frequency of time, frequency of the thing when happen. So it is adverb of frequency. How often, कितने बार वो काम किया गया. Sometimes he play cricket and he plays never. Ritesh never smokes. So it is tell about the frequency of the action takes place. You mind one thing, an adverb never describes a noun or a pronoun. Adverb describes only verbs. Adverbs describes, adjective describes nouns, and adverb never describes a noun. The dress is elegant. Here the dress is noun and elegant is used for the noun to describe this noun. So in this sentence not an adverb is used. Here an adjective is used. So children, don't be confused while using adverb or adjective, because adverbs describe the action or verb, whereas adjective describes noun or pronoun. Now you see whom adverb modifies. Adverb modifies verb, it modifies adverb, it modifies also adjectives. Modify means to change the meaning or to modify it. The dancer moves so gracefully. The scientist quite easily solved the problem. Gracefully is already adverb, but so is added to gracefully. So is also a adverb and gracefully is also a adverb. So here you see adverb can modify adverb. In the second sentence the same thing. Easily is already an adjective adverb, whereas quite is added with this and it modify easily or the adverb. He is very happy today. So happy is adjective and very is used before happy. So it modifies adjective also. Sia wore brightly colored dress in party. Colored is what? Here brightly is used to modify the adjective. So children, I have described all the 4 types of adverbs. You should practice more and more. Okay, thank you students.